Solid-state batteries, the future of mobile power. Welcome everyone. In today's explainer, we'll dive into the fascinating world of solid-state batteries, a technology that could soon change how our smartphones and electric vehicles store power. Let's explore what makes this innovation so exciting. What are solid-state batteries? Unlike the lithium-ion batteries in most of our devices today, solid-state batteries use a solid electrolyte instead of a liquid one. This solid layer transfers energy more safely and efficiently, reducing the risk of leaks and fires while enabling more compact battery designs. How they work. So, how do they actually work? Just like in regular batteries, ions move between two terminals, the anode and the cathode. But here, instead of flowing through a liquid, they pass through a solid material. Think of it as replacing a flowing river with a sturdy bridge. The ions still travel, but with greater control and stability. Key advantages. Solid-state batteries offer some powerful advantages. They can store more energy in less space, they charge faster, and they are safer because there's no flammable liquid inside. Plus, they last longer, meaning fewer charging cycles and better long-term performance for smartphones. Challenges and limitations. However, it's not all smooth sailing yet. These batteries are costly to manufacture and difficult to mass produce. The solid materials can also cause issues where they meet the battery electrodes, leading to reduced efficiency over time. That's why we don't yet see them in every smartphone. Solid-state versus lithium-ion. Let's do a quick comparison. Lithium-ion batteries are cheaper and already proven, but they come with safety risks and lower energy density. Solid-state batteries, on the other hand, promise more power, greater safety, and faster charging. It's a classic case of higher cost but better performance. Applications in smartphones. Tech giants like Samsung, Apple, and Xiaomi are already working on solid-state battery prototypes. These could make future smartphones thinner, cooler, and able to last much longer between charges. Imagine charging your phone once and using it comfortably for 2 days or more. That's the promise of solid-state tech. Impact on electric vehicles. The revolution isn't limited to mobile devices. Automakers like Toyota, BMW, and Volkswagen are racing to integrate solid-state batteries into their electric cars. These new batteries could charge in minutes instead of hours, and extend driving range by hundreds of kilometers. Future outlook. Experts predict that by 2028 to 2030, we'll start seeing the first wave of consumer products powered by solid-state batteries. Costs are expected to drop as production scales up, making this technology more accessible and widespread. Conclusion. So, to wrap up, solid-state batteries represent the next frontier of mobile power. They promise faster charging, longer life, and safer operation, all in slimmer, more efficient designs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this explainer, hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech innovations.